Like the belly did back early 2000. Nice with pretty bitch, few free rolls goes. I'm a beast with this weed shit. Me and B legit, we let the pigs do appreciate how the game get ready. You know how we get down.
Don't come around me friend talking about how you pick and giving hoes what they want.
Alright, everything is gain set, gain matched, and some very slight EQing. But we're not going to get too crazy into the EQing until I can get the 3-inch mids in here and get these old speakers out that we ain't running no more. We're going to run something new, something better up in here. So right now we've only got a 2-way system. We're set up for a 3-way system. Wires are all ran. There's just no 3rd way, which would be the 3-inch speaker. So that's coming up soon. Let's see what this thing sounds like. Let's let it rip. I'm ready.
Step it down for the camera. Step it down. Step it down for the camera.
I ain't no 212s no more. I ain't no 212s no more.
Right, I keep it with me. Bitch, I don't need Dennis.
Swag, baby, wear well. In the Chanel, she in the winter. Only jeans on, got the cat night. I be out. I love it.
In the system, they appreciate this.
Check out the home while the phone machine kicks. Bitch, rich ain't at home. 6 million ways to buy.
I probably wouldn't kick in. Then I free you. Whenever I can see your smile, you know the fly style. Dig your swag. Louis flip flops go good with the bag.
Turn up a little bit.
Riding my life like a runaway train over the Caribbean. When I was a boy, I do the
That is hell.
East side, bitch. Walk around you quick as hell. You need some toilet paper, don't shit on the free. I won't go. So don't just slide. I look. It's no jealous. Somebody
good or what?
doing your time with no discretion. To me, it's so depressing. Acting like you don't know my profession. I live in thin thighs and live in thin city. Wearing all pictures like Hello Bunny. Rubber on these bitches. So fast. Sell it like short, no ass, no pass. All you Santa Claus players, be on your way.
All right, here we are on a Saturday morning. I just got done setting the gains. I did some basic tuning, just a little bit of cutting on the EQ. I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth with it here soon, but I just want to get this thing playing and sounding decent before, you know, the big move. Can't really talk about that right now, but we'll talk about that later. Anyways, let's see what this thing sounds like. So far, woo boy. And yeah, she's dusty from being in the shop for months trying to get this done, but that don't matter. We'll wash it when we're all finished here. Got the iPad in the dash. Got some too short on deck. SMD amps. Get the audio subs.
Motherfuckers out. Fucking people. Fuck them. I'm trying to blow these motherfuckers out.
This thing is slapping. Oh boy, yeah. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Mission complete. One major plus is all those wires, all that stuff going on, zero engine noise. Woo. You can never complain on zero engine noise day.
Third grade, they'll take your nuts and make you cry. Speakers out, you little bitch. It's some real shit. Get it really cool. It's speakers.
The next thing, which isn't going to be right now because we're playing good, is mids and highs. But those are coming up. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching this entire build. It's been fun, and for now, we out of here. So far, this is a total and utter success all the way around. We're going to have to raise the back up another inch because it's sagging a little bit, but that's no big deal. Already got parts on the way.